Shalom, brothers and sisters. Two destructive tornadoes have hit New Zealand. Some 50 homes have been damaged, and severe thunderstorms spawned the destructive tornado in the Tasman district near Nelson, South Island. This happened on the 10th of April 2023. The event happened 16 hours after another damaging tornado swept through East Auckland, North Island on April the 9th. Please pray for them. They've been pummeled and hammered by storm after storm, earthquakes, now two destructive tornadoes in a row. And these things and these kind of events are going to become more and more commonplace around the world as we go forward. God bless. Keep looking up. Shalom.